Hey traders, it's mid-morning through the London session here, Tuesday 10:45 in the UK. My name is Mark Owen, founder of Trade and Train, and I'm just going to go through a couple of trade setups we're currently in and looking to add into. Okay, so one here is a euro dollar. We were looking at a rejection of 1270 last night. We bought in at 1280 and prices literally just come back into profit. Our stops, we put them just out the way, just below the even handle, 1250. Now we're looking at opportunities, so if you aren't in this market right now, we do see a lot further upside. Minimum sort of move we're sort of seeing as 1350, so a good 100 points from where our stop was, which is a nice what's that, 70, so 1.5 to 1 currently to that point. Now if we look at previous times the market has tested this key area, it's moved at least a minimum. If we look at this one move here, that initial move, 135 points. Go over to the next one, initial move, let's call it here, let's take it less, 82, but you can see in a very short space of time it did 212 points. So if we look at those initial moves, what we can expect, again we had a rejection here on the daily, it came back down and we had another 200 point move here. So expect at least an 80 to 90 point move from the lows, which will take you into that 1350 area, this point here, and you can see this is exactly where sellers came in previously. So first take profit is going to be there. So how can you look at taking advantage of that now if you're not already in this trade? Well, simple. If we just drop down a time frame, you should see a little structure point here. Look at those wicks here and rejections of 1285. Break through 1285, look for a retest at that level and trade it long to 1350. If you wanted to be a little bit more cautious, you could take first profits off at 1312, but that would be very aggressive. It's each and everyone to their own trading plan, but essentially we're looking for a break of 1284 if you want to add in, retest that level with first areas of 1365. We do see more upside to this market. Pound CAD, another market we're currently short in. Since yesterday we've already taken first take profits. So we had a break of the CTL through here, a break of short-term structure, and then we came up, retested it, got a nice rejection candle here. We took first profits here, banking 0.7%. It was 1.5% in profit, just under. So we took first profits, reduced our stops a little bit. The market rallied up. We've now broken mid-term support as well. So we've brought our stops down again because we've now created a new structure low, and we'll be looking for a retest of this level to then take the market down towards that 1.698 area. So good opportunity here. So this is what we're looking for, rally back into here and move back down. Now do remember that around this area we're going to have Mark Carney speak, Bank of England man, in just under, what is it, 11 o'clock, just over 2 hours, 2 hours and 12 minutes. We've got the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney speaking, so he could cause a little bit of mayhem here. So each and everyone to their own, stick to your rules. You know, if you are in this trade, it might be a nice time to be banking profits and see what happens. I.e., will you get a rejection or will the market just tumble? If you've already banked profits, you know you've got nothing to lose apart from the open P&L. So this is why it's a complete individual decision on how you look at trading and your risk parameters of what you can withstand. Okay, so final market we're going to look at right now is gold. This is a trade we took yesterday as well. I'm just going to jump up to the 4 hour, show you why. So basically, again, we had this CTL broken, moved to the upside. We've then pulled back to retest structure lows. This bearish candle here, we sold above the break of the high, and we're not far from taking our first profits just below this structure point, and then second profits right out the way up near 1350. We have reduced our stops now to 1306. So you know, limited loss here, but we will be looking at an add-in trade if we can get a solid close above 1315.65. So get a close above 1316. We'll look for a retest of that level. First take profits around 1325, and then we'll extended targets of 1350. If you like our analysis and the way we've just run through those few markets, please make sure you click on the link below. One is for free analysis and the other one will be to join our live traders club. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop me an email, mark@tradeandtrain.com. And like I said, if you do like the analysis, please hit like, share and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in either a free analysis or the live traders club.